Great music! Today we are going to be learning the note names on the treble clef. So buckle up, make sure you're paying attention, and let's begin. All right, so right in front of you in the red is what we call the treble clef. Now, if you look at this, at the end there's like a tail, and towards the middle there's a little curl, and this will come in handy later. So let's remember what this looks like. And this is called a staff. Now, if you look to the left and to the right, in green, you see numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then in purple, you see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the numbers of spaces and the numbers of lines. So if we look in the green, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And then if we look at the purple numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So let's hop on over to the next slide and learn about the spaces. All right, so when we are learning the notes on the spaces, it's actually kind of easy because if you can remember face in the space, then you have all the note names for the spaces on the treble clef. If we look at number 1, space 1, we have an F. If we look at space 2, we have an A. If we look at space 3, we have a C. And if we look at space 4, we have an E. So now, if we go in order from 1 to 4, what does that spell out? It spells out face. So this is how we know what the note names are in the spaces of the treble clef. Now it's your turn. Take a few seconds and figure out which note this is. Now I gave you a little hint. It's on the third space. And if we remember, face is the space. If you said C, you are correct. C is the third space on the treble clef. All right, we're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to give you a few seconds to figure out what note this is. And drum roll, please. If you said F, you are correct. F is on the first space on the treble clef. Excellent job, everyone. So, to review, number 1, there are 4 spaces on the staff of the treble clef. And we learned, leading into number 2, that the face is in the space. So if we work our way from the bottom up, we can spell face in the spaces of the treble clef. And number 3, there are 5 lines on the staff of the treble clef. We went over that there were 5 lines, but next class we will learn those note names. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.